Bem-vindo à segunda parte do módulo 2. Como podem ver,
Bem, chegou o grande momento de fazer um launch control.
Once the Excel file is completed,
olá a todos. Bem-vindos ao módulo 7 do...
We're going to talk also about how to, as you know, an iceberg has some hidden, and here I want to share with you three main issues.
Comment utiliser les outils numériques dans...
E vamos finalizar fornecendo alguns exemplos.
We are entering the sales process at the distance.
We are going to explain on this module how you should communicate with your customer,
with my client through the screen, and I don't see many things.
Bear in mind that Microsoft Teams is the UPL corporate and digital marketing. Digital marketing is basically to translate.
Porozmawiamy o współpracy z rolnikiem.
There is a moment when in the remote business, when the customer before our client, but before through us, the client is going to say, "Oh yes, how do you know that?" That is the best way of engaging with my distributor.